How to make money with Leonardo AI. So this video is concentrated how to monetize for stunning images created with Leonardo AI.
Working professionals, if you haven't upskilled yourself in 2023, then this is the last chance for you in order to hike your salary, in order to become irreplaceable in the job market, and in order to gain most in-demand skill. Yes, I'm talking about the skill of ChatGPT and AI tools.
The best part, you get 150 tokens for free every day to generate your images. If you are someone who does not want to spend a single penny, you should definitely try this, as Leonardo AI is an excellent option for you. In this video, I will show you how to generate the ideas using this platform with its newest features. So let's start the tutorial. You need to visit website, launch app, log in with your Google ID, Apple ID, whatever you are having. And to create your own images, go to AI image section, which is on the left panel. Here you can write your prompt. Just below that, you can choose your model. And if you are unfamiliar with this model, you can go to dataset options and choose one of them as per the requirement. For example, if you are looking for realistic images, you might go this section, and if you are unsure what a model does, click on model pictures and it will pop up and shows how you can select your images and what quality you want. You can also visit fine-tuned model section, which is on the left panel, and visit platform models, community models can select as per your requirement. You can also add negative prompt, which means what should not be in your images. Whatever the art you are creating, select the negative prompt, so AI will also take care of this. You can also go to prompt generation. This tool will also allow you to come up with more complex prompt ideas from a simple prompt. Example, if you type a car and click ideate, it will come up with a number of more complex concept which includes a car. On left panel, you can also select number of images you want to generate, and where you can get plenty of clauses and plenty of options to get from. Prompt Magic V2, Prompt Magic Strength. This is beta version, and this feature ensures better prompt endurance. Same thing goes with Alchemy option. When enabled, brings incredibly high fidelity images generation, coherence to all existing platform models. Further down images, the resolution settings are there. You can choose the resolution you want to choose. Below that, we can find guidance scale which performs how strongly your prompt is weighted. I recommend use the optimal number 7 for the best results. Moving to AI Canvas, take our images and expand upon it. Now go to real-time canvas. In the left panel, choose any of the 3 options. I would like to go with sketching. Generate my ideas. For more learning, you can click on the I button and get an update with the most advanced features. More videos are already made with this, and this video is only concentrated for how you can monetize your AI art. So for more details, for more advanced features, if you want to learn, you can go to I button and check the link. It is a genius tool that allows you to upload AI generated art and distribute them across various marketplaces with a single click. Here's how it works. Create your image, upscale it using any upscaling tool. After upscaling, navigate it to ystock.io. Click on Get Started. Log in with your any of the accounts. It will ask you to upload your first shot. Choose the image you want to upload. Click on the checkbox AI generated context and go to next option. Now it is all about keywords, captions and tagging. Use the relevant keyword to optimize your AI generated art in marketplace. Go to post and select. When sum of buys your images, you will get 85% of image cost, which is huge amount. All this you can use for free. Then you can get the paid subscription. You can get individual's portfolio for free. And you can sell all content directly. Select all. Moreover, if you want to pay subscription, you can get premium. Launch your premium journey today and start flying high and more awesome features. you can yearly pay $7.79 per month. And what you will get, the benefits you will get is one most important thing. Are you the one who wants to fasten your task or wish to complete your task ahead of a schedule? So there is a wonderful opportunity in front of you which can make you learn to making the PPTs in just 10 seconds and do any kind of IT work under 10 minutes. You can also become 1% of Excel users who can use the functions and save your time as well as job. And 90% of your time on your daily basis, you can become a highly paid prompt engineer. No prior technical skills or AI knowledge is required. You can also save up to 2 hours every day. You can grow your salary up to 3x. Join 3-hour workshop. Link is in description, because as I know that AI won't replace you, but a person using AI will definitely. The benefits you will get is increase your earnings by submitting more. That means 100 additional marketplaces you will get, and with no more 48 hours, you can upscale your images, instantly upscale your small PNG or JPG images to super resolution. You can also sell your content as prints and digital downloads directly from your portfolio with complete price control and zero commission. You can get round-the-clock customer service, and apart from that, you can also store and access your files with metadata up to 500 GB. You can also go to Explore section and check which is in the top selling media and challenges in the marketplace. You can view the best selling place and best selling stock images over here. This can be a great source of ideas which will help you to decide what images and which images generate and the best account to trend. You can also go to challenges where you can upload your AI art and get handsome amount of money. Before uploading, you can also ensure that you must go with the quality standards of platform where you are uploading the images. That means remember to maintain the quality standards of resolution, which is most important. So if you found this useful, do like and share with your friends for more AI monetizing tips. And this was Ushma working with Be10x, and we made videos on AI work in this 2023 and upcoming 2024. Thank you for watching this. This was Ushma signing off, and meet you again with more useful videos.